Are you thinking about buying a DTF printer or just interested in learning about the process? Then Mimaki and Reece Supply want you to attend the DTF Bootcamp June 11th, 0900 hours at the Mimaki facility in Irving, Texas. Direct-to-film printing is one of the hottest and fastest growing trends in the decorated apparel industry, and it is an opportunity you don't want to miss out. With all the DTF products out there, it is difficult to know what to trust. That is why at this event, we're going to show you how equipment and consumables work together to create DTF transfers. You'll also learn proper heat pressing techniques, environmental factors, key points when deciding on a machine, and financial guidance from MMP Capital. So just like basic training, it is no cost to you to attend. Your meals and refreshments are provided. So if you want to enlist, click the link below, fill out the form, and we'll see you June 11th.